I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: a Google account and a working phone to receive verification codes. Sign in at Voice. Google. Com or open the Google Voice app. Choose which device you'll tie to the number. Once signed in, you'll pick the country and search available local numbers. This matters for forwarding and region-specific features. Make sure to review billing if porting or choosing premium options. Otherwise, select a free number and proceed to verification. After choosing your number, you link forwarding phones so calls ring where you want them. Tap Settings, then add phone numbers and verify via code. This lets Voice forward calls and texts. Next, set voicemail greeting and enable call screening to filter robocalls. You can also turn on text forwarding and assign devices permissions for sending/receiving. Once these are configured, test by calling your new number from another line and confirm rings and voicemail behavior match your preferences. To finish, decide whether to port an existing number or keep the new one. Porting requires unlocking the old line and providing account info, so expect a fee and several days. Once complete, test incoming and outgoing calls, SMS and voicemail, and update two-factor and contact info where needed. If something fails, re-verify linked phones, clear app cache, and restart devices. If problems persist, contact Google Voice Support. One key tip: recheck forwarding rules first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.